Hello friends, I am Ganesh Punna working as Chief Agency Partner of Kotak Life APC channel. I would like to share my first-hand experience from a non-insurance background perspective without any prejudice. I joined Kotak as a life advisor and promoted to internal agency partner within a month. I have completed 5 glorious years with Kotak. Before joining Kotak, I worked for Larsen & Toubro for 35 years in Research and Development Department in Mumbai. After retiring from L&T, I took this opportunity. Hence, insurance is not my forte at all. While joining Kotak, I was extremely skeptical of working for an insurance industry since my background was entirely different. However, 9 days of training changed my opinion about insurance completely. Many of my friends ask me, Ganesh, why did you choose this career? In spite of getting offers for a fixed income job from various organizations, my answer is because of 4 reasons. One is flexible timing. Next, no boss at all. Third is no investment. Last but not the least, it's a job cum business opportunity with unlimited income. Yes, you heard it right. There is no upper limit for our earnings. This is not a conventional career, hence maybe a bit difficult to understand in the beginning. But with excellent training programs and continuous guidance of our mentors, success is guaranteed in this field. At present, I am leading a team of more than 200 like-minded people joined Kotak from different set of backgrounds. The qualifications range from SSC to PhD, housewives to retired senior leaders of large corporates such as bankers, engineers, businessmen, class 1 officers of government, senior police officers, etc. It's a blend of all professions. According to me, Kotak APC channel is an equal opportunity employer, irrespective of qualification and experience. As far as my income is concerned at Kotak, it is much more than my salary at my previous organization after putting in 35 years service. Not just me, most of my teammates express the same thing. This is possible because of the passive income opportunity available here. Besides unlimited income opportunity, this career also gives an unimaginable rewards and recognitions at domestic as well as international conventions sponsored by the company. I had been to several such conventions with my wife to Rome, Switzerland, etc. In 2020, I was qualified for a convention to Paris, but unfortunately it could not materialize due to the pandemic situation across the globe. Of course, we were compensated financially by the organization. This year also I got qualified for a Bangkok trip. Hope it materializes. Friends, there are few agency partners earning more than 1 crore rupees per annum from the same opportunity being offered to you today. And there are many whose earnings are more than 50 lakhs rupees per annum. Unbelievable earnings at Kotak APC channel. I would like to conclude with a saying, nothing is more expensive than a missed opportunity. Now the unique opportunity is knocking your doors. Please don't miss it. Not only your needs, but also your dreams will be fulfilled with this opportunity. Wishing all the very best to each one of you and hoping to meet you personally, maybe in a domestic or an international convention. Thank you very much, Kotak, for giving me this opportunity. Thanks a lot and all the best to each one of you again.